Well, everyone, iOS 26 Beta 9 ended up coming out today, which is actually pretty crazy. Apparently, this was probably not going to come out, but I'm super happy it did. And I'm glad Apple is pushing out these updates sooner rather than later, but they kind of pushed it out kind of late this time around. But at least we're on Beta 9. Now, Beta 9, as far as we know right now, we're not really too sure what it brought, but it is going to be bringing out. And I'm sure people will realize what it brought out very soon. Now, it tells us again, iOS beta gives an early preview of upcoming apps, features, and all this other stuff. So there's not really anything in like detail that we know of what this beta ended up bringing. However, I will tell you, I'm very happy Apple is pushing out these types of updates because they've been very slow in the past, and I'm very happy they've been kind of improving their software updates. Now, as far as I can tell, this is my iPhone 16e, and so far, I haven't really seen anything or done anything in this phone that seems very out there or seems crazy. This device seems like it's doing a pretty good job, which I think is really nice. Now, the down thing is like when you still kind of wipe it down, it still is kind of giving you that type of pop-up, which is kind of unfortunate. You have to go through and swipe down, which is kind of unnecessary. Like it still kind of gives us that weird animation, but the app opening animation still looks very nice. So you can kind of look when I open up an application, you can see it kind of tosses that particular application up in the display. That is still there, so that still looks really nice. App icons still are taking a little bit of time to load, but it seems like they're getting a little bit faster, which is something that is really nice to see. So I'm very happy to see that kind of stuff going on here. And beyond that, there's not really a whole lot else that I saw that's like a big difference. Over time, there will start to be some bigger types of differences that we're going to be seeing. So once iOS 26 officially comes out, then that is going to be a really, really nice thing. But beyond that, it's not really looking like this is going to be an update I'd recommend people to install. Again, it will get better throughout time. But as of this point, that's kind of what we're seeing. So like I said, kind of keep that in mind. There's definitely going to be some improvements that are going to be coming out sooner rather than later. But so far, iOS 26 is looking to be a better update. But I'm glad Apple pushed out Beta 9, and I'm excited to see what's going to be coming out very soon. So that's pretty much a little bit of a recap of this update. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.